The Nissan Navara Pro-4X Warrior, a standout model from the Nissan Warrior by Premcar program, continues to capture the hearts of off-road enthusiasts in Australia. Launched in 2021 as a successor to the Nissan Navara N-TREK Warrior, the Pro-4X Warrior has quickly established itself as a formidable player in the off-road segment. This impressive vehicle results from the collaborative efforts between Nissan and Premcar, an Australian engineering and manufacturing firm known for its exceptional re-engineering capabilities. The Navara Pro-4X Warrior exemplifies this partnership, featuring numerous enhancements designed to meet the rigorous demands of Australian terrain. The transformation begins with a robust suspension system tailored for off-road performance. The Pro-4X Warrior boasts a unique suspension lift that increases ground clearance by 50 millimeters, providing superior handling and stability on rough terrain. This lift, combined with specially designed coil springs and Yokohama all-terrain tires, ensures that the Pro-4X Warrior can tackle the most challenging environments with ease. In addition to its enhanced suspension, the Navara Pro-4X Warrior includes underbody protection to safeguard vital components during off-road excursions. The vehicle's front and rear bumpers are redesigned for better approach and departure angles, further improving its off-road prowess. The interior of the Pro-4X Warrior is not overlooked in this transformation. The cabin features a black interior color theme with high-gloss black trim elements and Alcantara door and dash inlays, creating a refined yet rugged aesthetic. The vehicle is also equipped with modern technology, including a high-resolution central touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Premcar's meticulous attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the Pro-4X Warrior, from its aggressive exterior styling to its robust performance enhancements. The Navara Pro-4X Warrior is built to handle Australia's toughest conditions. This vehicle embodies the spirit of adventure, offering a perfect blend of capability, durability, and style for off-road enthusiasts. With its continued popularity and impressive specifications, the Nissan Navara Pro-4X Warrior solidifies its position as a leader in the off-road vehicle market.